So whether you're a full-time student, entrepreneur, or work a normal 9-to-5 job, executing on your ideas as quickly and efficiently as possible is crucial to success long-term. So today's video, I want to go over 4 of the top artificial intelligence tools for 2023. These tools are completely unique in their functioning, and they're ultimately going to help you with your personal life or business life and help you make more money in 2023. They use the latest in machine learning and natural language processing to help you optimize all aspects of your life. So let's dive right in, talk about the first one, which is Interior AI. Interior AI is a very simple and intuitive tool that allows you to redecorate entire spaces almost instantly. The way it works is you simply upload a picture of any space, anything in your house that you want to redesign, and it'll automatically redesign it for you with a new image using some of the furniture you already have, suggesting new pieces of furniture, and it gives you an idea of how you can actually redesign a space. This is so important and essential for regular people who don't want to spend money on an interior designer. They can simply upload a picture of a room. They'll have ideas for it, but it's also even more valuable for businesses because businesses and interior designers who spend lots of money on expensive design software can now go into a place, get a customer to send them a picture of a room, and they can automatically start off sending renderings, having different ideas right off the bat almost instantly. So it helps people who are not wanting to buy an interior designer spend money on an interior designer, but also helps businesses become more profitable. The second is called Midjourney. This tool generates images based on your text prompts through the power of AI and machine learning. It is one of the most simple and easy to use tools, yet produces some of the most high quality images out there. We've already seen that many artists are getting upset about it because artists are upset that artificial intelligence tools like Midjourney can recreate images off the fly, almost devaluing the work of artists, and it's caused a lot of controversy already. But the important thing here is that you can easily generate images by simply putting in different text prompts, and it's automatically uploaded to your profile on Midjourney. You can see right here, I have a picture of a French bulldog in Antarctica. That was the words I put in. We also have other images of an underwater futuristic city, or the third one, which I inputted, which was basketball player in space. I simply typed in these words, and it gave me these 4 images in less than 60 seconds. So while some artists aren't so happy about this, it is ultimately very important and useful for any sort of business owner, anyone looking for designs, and just graphic design in general. It's revolutionizing the entire space. The third tool is ChatGPT. We've talked about ChatGPT in a few other videos, which I'll link down below, but ChatGPT is one of the most simple and easy to use tools out there. All you need to do is input any sort of text, any sort of prompt, and it'll give you the answer to almost anything. ChatGPT is very useful because it allows for text input and text output, but it does have its limitations as it doesn't necessarily have access to the internet, and its database is only up to 2021. But either way, ChatGPT can give you recipes, can help you write essays, can help you fix code. It is one of the most useful tools out there. And fourth tool is going to be called Tome. Tome is an AI tool designed for basically everyone. Students, content creators, businesses, entrepreneurs, it doesn't matter, because with Tome, it helps you with storytelling and presentations. And the way it works is it harnesses built-in connections to other AI tools out there, let's say like GPT-3 and DALL-E 2. This is important, and what this means is that with GPT-3, it's able to generate text-to-text, much like ChatGPT, but it also can use DALL-E 2 to generate text-to-image, like Midjourney. So Tome harnesses powers of multiple different AI tools out there and integrates the powers of multiple different AI tools out there to make a more comprehensive storytelling and presentation builder. It's very simple and easy to use, and if you take a look at Tome right here, all you need to do is click create in the top right, then you go ahead and it'll say to type in a prompt. I put in this prompt already. Title is going to be like Bellboy, the logo for the company is B, the company is like TaskRabbit, helps people get odd jobs done, and the tagline is get your to-do list done. I want to make this 8 slides, so you just tell it, make 8 slides long, and then boom, you click enter. It generates multiple different slides of a presentation for you almost instantly. This is so cool because it doesn't matter if you're on the first slide, second slide, third slide, you're trying to raise money, you have a presentation for school. It could do all of this almost instantaneously. And yes, you could go back, make changes, make edits, but with the power of AI, it makes this process so much more efficient. You just give it an idea, give it some of your thoughts, and it can generate an entire presentation that is very comprehensive. You could see that right here. Gives you all these different slides about the company and just this little idea I put in a few seconds. So with artificial intelligence, it really is changing the way that businesses and students and everyone operates in the world. Yes, ChatGPT is banned in the New York public school system, but just like the internet was banned at first, just like cell phones were banned at first, people are afraid of things they don't understand. And right now, many people don't understand artificial intelligence. They think it's scary with everything it can do, but long term, these tools are going to make you millions of dollars. The people who know how to use these tools efficiently are going to be the ones who succeed long term.